Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about how to make a Discord, how to make a role in Discord. It's simple and easy. So first of all, you go to your Discord. And after you go you click on this, like it's gonna have the name of the server, and on the arrow, and you go to server setting. After you come to server settings, you go to roles and you click on create role, and after you name your role and you give it a color. So over here I'm just gonna name it no one. I'll name it. That's I named the name of the role. So like there's settings over here, and yeah, and you over here you click color, or use what's it called, you do a custom color. So I want to do red, and over here is like you need to pay money to unlock this feature. So after you go to permission, if you want to add permissions, so like if I want to make my role administrator, I click this. That, and making it an administrator includes everything in the permission section. So if you want to skip selecting all of these, it's gonna take a long time. Just click on administrator, and I just want to do that. And over here is links, add requestments. Some links gonna this one I'm out of here. And if you want to delete the role, you come over here on three dots and you delete it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the button, and hit the like button. See you next time. Goodbye.